Welcome to the xarvio Digital Farming Solutions Field Manager Help videos. In this video, we are going to show you how to use our new Select a Field function to create borders inside a Field Manager. You'll notice on the left-hand side here we have our status bar. These are all the different fields that have been brought in using our past videos. To use our new Select a Field function, go down and select Add Fields. As you can see, we have multiple different options, but for this demo, we're going to select the Select Field functions, where the fields are predefined on the background map. As you can already see in the background, the fields have begun to auto-border themselves. What you want to do is find the location of your field. To do so, you can either enter the closest town or city up here in the search bar, or the coordinates if you have them. Using the left cursor on my mouse, I can navigate across the screen. And as you can see, all the different fields have already been bordered. If you want to switch the background of this map, come over here to the B symbol and select it, and you can switch back and forth between Bing Maps and Google Maps. When I have found the field that I want to select, zoom in and select it. That field will then turn blue with a check mark. And as you can see, the field size is listed up here with hectares. You can also pick more than one field. So I'm going to pick a few fields in my area. If you make a mistake and you select a field that you did not want to pick, simply go back to it and click one more time. I now have the 3 fields that I'm going to bring into the Field Manager system. Select Next. And as you can see, the fields have been listed here. They've been given auto-generated names, or you can name them yourselves. Three, and I will call this last field Test 4. When you have your names, make sure you select the blue check mark on the right side to save them. My fields have been brought in, and I can save them. From here, I can either assign a crop or select more fields to bring into the system. If I select Exit, over here on the left-hand side of my status bar, if we go down, you will see the fields that I've just created.